Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today we are reviewing the Hisense 55 inches Class A 7 Series 4K UHD Smart Fire TV. Click the link below for the best price. If you're searching for a feature-packed 4K TV that delivers excellent picture quality, immersive sound, and smart functionality, then the Hisense A7 Series 55 A7NF might be exactly what you need. Let's start with the display. This TV boasts a 55-inch 4K UHD panel, delivering 4 times the resolution of Full HD for incredibly sharp and detailed visuals. What really sets it apart though is the Wide Color Gamut technology. You get richer, more vibrant colors with greater depth, making everything from movies to sports feel more lifelike. Supporting HDR10+ and Dolby Vision, this TV ensures stunning contrast and brightness. Dark scenes are deep and inky, while bright areas pop with intensity, creating a dynamic viewing experience that rivals more expensive premium models. Sound-wise, you're in for a treat. With Dolby Atmos built in, you get multidimensional audio that surrounds you. Whether it's the roar of a stadium or the subtle sounds in a thriller, you'll hear it all with immersive clarity. The Hisense A7 series isn't just about visuals and sound, it's also smart in every sense. Powered by Fire TV, you get seamless access to all your favorite streaming services like Netflix, Prime Video, Hulu, Disney+, and more. The Alexa voice remote makes it super easy to search, control volume, launch apps, or check the weather, just by speaking. For sports fans, the AI Sports Mode is a game changer. It automatically adjusts picture and sound settings to give you the best possible viewing experience during live sports, enhancing clarity, color, and motion to bring the stadium right into your living room. Gamers haven't been forgotten either. With Game Mode in ALLM, Auto Low Latency Mode, this TV minimizes input lag and ensures smooth, responsive gameplay, perfect for both console and cloud gaming. The sleek, modern design of the 55A7NF complements any room, with slim bezels that keep your attention focused where it belongs, on the screen. Plus, the built-in Wi-Fi and multiple HDMI and USB ports mean it's ready to connect to your home theater setup, soundbar, gaming console, or other devices. So whether you're binge-watching a new series, diving into a high-intensity game, or streaming a live match, the Hisense 55A7NF Smart Fire TV offers an exceptional balance of quality, functionality, and value. Click the link below for the best price, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a review. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.